Today we're talking about the volume profile indicator and specifically in a trending environment with the aim to find opportunities like this recent example on Euro US dollar. The price fell over 200 pips. This time we're looking at a potential long on Euro US dollar. As you can see here, we're on the daily time frame of Euro US dollar. We're trying to see those trended environments. Then we're going to try and apply the volume profile and highlight those key levels to look out for. So obviously there is a different type of trend going on here now. We were in that downward trend and the market was making lower lows and lower highs. Most recently, we've traded through this key area of resistance. This was something that we highlighted in a previous video, but around about this 1.0775 were these highs back in the 12th of September and lows on the 25th of August. Price has traded through that now, but what's interesting to me is this area down through here, because when the market consolidates, it builds up volume. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get our fixed range volume profile tool. We're going to go from the swing low to the swing high, and we're going to highlight that level of interest. So around about the 1.0705 is going to be the point of interest for us for potential long opportunities. Now you may think, why am I highlighting this level? Well, just to kind of bring you a previous example here on Euro US dollar, we can see that price traded to the downside, it pulled back, it consolidated, it then produced another bearish move. If I was to go grab the fixed range volume profile tool, go from that swing high down to that swing low, you can see at this level here, around about the 1.0733, within that consolidation, the most traded level was that point. You can see price then came into that level and we extended that move to the downside. Now this doesn't always work, but what's important is if price makes a move to the upside, consolidates, rallies higher, we want to look at the volumes within that, because we're expecting potentially that the trend will continue. So I'm looking to see, can euro dollar come back down towards this point and then make a rejection and move back to the upside? That may be unlikely considering the move that we've had recently, but that is an area that we can look for in the future that could act as a support or resistance level. From the upside perspective, where could we see price go to? Well, we have these swing highs here. These highs formed back on the 30th and 31st of August. That could be target levels for buyers at the moment. If we're going to use our volume profile tool to look at key areas as well, what I'm going to do is just extend this one now, go to that swing high and then place it down at the swing low, and we can see around about the 1.0988 handle is the most traded volume level of this whole entire downward trend. So that's where price could be heading to target next, where we may find some selling pressure. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more videos.